Is sauna good for the digestive tract, intestine, and stomach? Sauna therapy might just do wonders for your gut health, as hinted by the following study. 7 women enjoyed a 20-minute sauna session to study the levels of various peptides in their blood, both during and after their relaxing experience. The peptide studied was the brain-gut peptides, which are friendly little signaling molecules that help regulate our digestive function. Digestive functions involve producing digestive enzymes, absorbing nutrients, and keeping the digestive tract moving, and all working together in harmony. This study showed that using saunas can positively affect peptide production, which helps balance our immune response, reduce inflammation, and boost the growth of good gut bacteria. Researchers discovered that when exposed to heat, PP and motilin levels increased, indicating that the digestive system gets a bit more active. This increased activity might potentially improve gut motility and function, indicating that sauna use could have a friendly, protective impact on gut health. A fascinating study involving mice revealed that far-infrared rays might boost gut health by transforming the gut microbiota composition and amplifying the short-chain fatty acid receptor expression. These discoveries in mice might just have implications for us humans too, paving the way for a healthier gut and alleviating those pesky symptoms like cramps and bloating. Another study looked into how sauna-induced dehydration impacts our gut's barrier function in a friendly manner. Researchers discovered that sauna-induced dehydration heightened intestinal permeability without causing major harm to the enterocytes. Boosting intestinal permeability offers protection against inflammation and bacterial overgrowth in the colon, paving the way for relief from things like IBS symptoms. Investing in an infrared sauna could work wonders for your lifestyle, especially if you're struggling with gut health issues or on the lookout for ways to boost overall well-being. To learn more about the studies mentioned in this video, visit Clearlight Saunas.